Everyone and welcome back to the Catalytic classes. This is Priya and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is structure of atom. So this is the chapter 2nd of class 11th, right? So in this video we are going to learn what is the structure of atom, like we have read previously in the chapter 1. So Dalton in 1808 has given a theory that is called Dalton's atomic theory, right? So they have given 4 postulates, right? So the first postulate was matter consists of indivisible atoms, right? So matter बहुत indivisible atoms से मिलकर बना होता है. And second was so chemical reactions, any chemical reactions involve reorganization of atoms, right? So atoms combine होते हैं, compound बनाते हैं, तो वहां पर क्या होता है? Reorganization होता है atoms का, right? Third postulate was atom of same element have same mass while they differ in mass for different element, right? अगर एक ही एलिमेंट का एटम होगा तो सबका सेम मास होगा, बट अगर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट कंसिडर करते हैं तो उनके मासेस डिफर कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो फोर्थ वाज कंपाउंड वाज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन. कंपाउंड कब बनता है? जब एटम ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट कंबाइन इन अ फिक्स रेशियो, राइट? So later different scientists have given different theories about the structure of atom, and at last it is concluded that atom consists of electron, proton and neutron. So here we will discuss the properties of electron, proton and neutron, right? So see, first is charge. So what is the charge on electron, proton and neutron? So the electron has a negative charge, proton has a positive charge and neutron is neutral, right? So negative charge, positive charge and it is neutral in charge. Solute charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 for electron. In case of proton, the charge is same, but it is in positive, right? Neutron has no charge, right? So if we talk about mass, so the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. So mass 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And for proton it is 1.6727 kg, right? So these are the fundamental features of the electron, proton and neutron. Electron carry negatively charged, proton positively charged and the neutron is neutral. It has no charge. Absolute charge of electron is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, but it is in negative. Proton same charge but is in positive. Neutron has no charge, right? If we talk about the mass of electron, proton and neutron, so the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And for neutron is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, right? So these are the fundamental features of constituent particles of atom, right? So next we will learn how electron, proton and neutron were discovered, right? Discovery of electron was given by Michael Faraday in 1830, where he designed an experiment where he took cathode ray discharge tube where 2 electrodes were present. One is negatively charged electrode, other is positively charged. So negatively charged electrode is cathode and the positively charged electrode is anode. So when he applied high voltage, right? जब उन्होंने high voltage apply किया, then he saw the flow of current was from cathode to anode, right? और उसने उनका नाम दिया cathode rays, right? So to confirm this, what he did? So he perforated the anode, right? So और यहाँ पर एनोड पर जिंक सल्फाइड की कोटिंग कर दी. So later when he applied the high voltage, so the flow of current was from cathode to anode only. So ये perforated है तो इससे स्ट्राइक होकर रेस जब जिंक सल्फाइड की कोटिंग पड़ जाती है तो वहां पे एक ब्लैक स्पॉट दिखता है, राइट. सो ही वॉज देन कंफर्म दैट द फ्लो ऑफ करंट इज ऑलवेज फ्रॉम कैथोड टू एनोड, राइट. So based on this, he has given some conclusions. So the first is cathode rays always travel from cathode to anode. Second is they cannot be seen by the naked eye, but their effect can be seen using the fluorescent material, like they have used zinc sulfide coating, right? So the third is in the absence of electric and magnetic field, they always travel straight. Fourth is जब मैग्नेटिक या इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई करते हैं तब जो नेचर होता है कैथोड रेस का दैट इज सिमिलर टू निगेटिवली चार्ज, राइट. सो इन कैथोड रेस को नेम किया गया इलेक्ट्रॉन, राइट. एंड इनका नेचर डजंट डिपेंड अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ गैस और द टाइप ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड यूज्ड. He concluded that the electrons are basic constituent of the atom, right? So later he has given charge by mass ratio. So charge by mass ratio he has given, so that is equal to 1.75 into 10 to power minus 11. So similarly the discovery of proton and neutron were done. So in the case of discovery of proton, instead of cathode rays they were named as canal rays. और लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिवली चार्ज होता है, प्रोटॉन के केस में प्रोटॉन पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होता है. लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन डजंट डिपेंड अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड और द नेचर ऑफ गैस, बट प्रोटॉन डिपेंड करता है नेचर ऑफ गैस पे, राइट. और जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिक और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफ्लेक्टेड हो जाता है, बट द नेचर ऑफ कैथोड रेज इज जस्ट अपोजिट टू द नेचर ऑफ कैनाल रेज, राइट. So there are differences between two. So the first is electron is negatively charged, proton is positively charged, right? Second is electron doesn't depend upon the nature of gas, proton depends upon the nature of gas, and the behavior of both are just opposite, right? So these are the differences between electron and proton. For neutron, Chadwick has done an experiment where he used alpha rays. सो अल्फा रेस को उन्होंने बम्बार्ड कराया थिन सीट ऑफ बेरिलियम से, राइट. एंड फिर उसका बिहेवियर नोटिस किया. सो इट वॉज नॉट डिफ्लेक्टेड बाय एनी इलेक्ट्रिक और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो लेटर ही कंक्लूडेड दैट न्यूट्रॉन हैज नो चार्ज, राइट. सो दिस इज द डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस द थॉमसन मॉडल एंड द रदरफोर्ड मॉडल, राइट.